So, this first day of the challenge will be all about Christmas bedroom. It's very nice atmospheric interior in our houses, in our homes, where we can get all this Christmas inspiration. And the first color I'm going to try is this color from Touch Markers. It's P122. So I really love to start my drawings with the lightest color in the scene. So here my interior is going to be like very light, a lot of white. I love, absolutely love using brush nib of the markers. So usually markers have white nib and brush nib. So this interior will be primarily made with the brush nib. So first I go for some details, a lot of folds here. So this bed, it's actually like a white bed, and for white, because I was asked this question very often, how you draw white in interiors. I draw it with different light gray colors, or I love to use beige colors. It's always also perfect for white, right? So here we have an interior which is like lit by sunlight. So it's not electrical type of light, and it is believed that the light from the street has this a little bit of cold tint in it. That's why all our shadows will be much more warm. So the rule is, if you have cold light, so like natural day light, it has cold tint in it, and that will mean that all our shadows will have this nice warm tint. So for example, here we have a wall on which we have a window. That means that this wall will be in shadow. And of course, if you want to learn more about interior design drawing, if you are a beginner in interior design drawing, it would be really great if you visit my website, Olgard888, and of course you can join my video courses on interior design drawing for beginners and for advanced. My students live all around the world. Some of them are from India, some of them are from China, from Russia, from States, from Canada, so Europe, all around the globe. And of course Australia and New Zealand, because right now I live in Australia and New Zealand, but my courses, they are available in English and in Russian, because as you know, I'm originally Russian. Alright, so right now I'm gonna switch to another color, and it's gonna be from Style File Markers. It's neutral gray number 4, and I would love to do some details with it. So in sketching, in quick real sketching, we don't want to spend hours and hours working on our drawing, because sketching means very quick technique. It should look effortless and flawless. So we try not to spend a couple of hours in our sketch, but do it in minutes or so. And I realized that I forgot to color this little basket. So here we will have this nice carpet. And hello friends, hello Vika, hello my friends. One more time, you guys, if you have any questions, please let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below. I will record this live stream. I will save it here on Instagram. It will be available for 24 hours. But also I'm recording this live stream on my Canon camera. So in a couple of days it will be available on on my YouTube, Olga Art. So one more time, today is the first day of Christmas challenge. So we're gonna draw Christmas interiors during this live stream, and I'd love to start with bedroom interior. So couple of strokes here to our pillows. So let me know in the comments if you feel this Christmas mood already, because here in New Zealand it's actually almost summer time, because the 1st of December it's actually the first day of summer. And as you know, I'm originally Russian, and in Russia we really have very, very cold winters. So for example, 2 years ago we had a winter when it was minus 30 or minus 35 Celsius on the street. It was really cold, you guys. So I'm originally from St. Petersburg, Russia, so I know what white Christmas is, like real white Christmas, and I lived in Copenhagen for 3 years. So I'm really into this Christmas mood, or Yule mood, how in Denmark they call it. It's one of my favorite times of the year. So it's all about like decorating Christmas trees, decorating your house. But in New Zealand, you know, there are no real Christmas trees. So there are some, there is a lot of palms. So I think that I started this Christmas challenge because I really miss this real white Christmas. So I will create this atmosphere of Christmas here on Instagram. Alright, so now let's switch to nice green colors. I will start with a more light tint of gray. Oh, not gray, but of course green colors. Let's put it here. And let's add it to our Christmas tree, just a little bit. So let's imagine that this Christmas tree, it's all in snow, like artificial snow. So that means that the biggest amount of color will be in green. So let's see where we would love to add it as well, maybe to this word Christmas. Maybe also here, maybe we have Christmas towels, something like that. And then I switch to darker green because I want to make some accents in order to make this Christmas decoration look more natural. Just let's add this color here and there. Alright, so maybe to our pillows, let's assume that maybe this little pillow, it will be dark green. Also some frames. And now I switch to the main color of Christmas and New Year, and it's of course this pure red color. So let me add it here, and I think I will do a little break right now because I can see that my Canon camera, its battery, it's almost dead, so I want really to record this video and upload it later on my YouTube. So for now I will pause. So we actually almost done with this drawing. We only need to add some details, some final shades, and now I will use warm gray number 3 from Style File Markers. I will use its white nib, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some shading with it. So we have our window happening here. That's why I want a little bit more darkness in this part of the interior. It always looks good Also, I will add this color to these back pillows on the bed. I will add this color to the folds. Let's assume that here we have this nice furry blanket. Alright, so also this color will look great somewhere here and here. Maybe we also can do these curtains with it. So yeah, we are almost done with our first day of Christmas challenge. And hi guys, hi everybody. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. And of course, I would be super excited if you could share information about this challenge with your friends so more people could join us. Now I would love to add some more Christmas decor here. So you can simply share this video. Also, of course, I would be super excited if you will draw with me during this challenge. So I can't wait to see your drawings. And please remember that you can find the picture that I'm using for this challenge on my Pinterest, in my interior board on Pinterest. So some final strokes with marker, and so this one is a wine red color, like dark red color from my touch markers. And finally I will do some details with my black liner. So I will add some Christmas decor here and there. You can tweak, you can add some details that you would love to see in your drawing. So for example, I'd love to see more red color here. Also, let's add some dark details here. It will enliven the sketch. And yes, I think I will be switching to my black liner. So here I will use Unipin, and I will start with my foreground, because the foreground is the most important part in interior design drawing. I mean, in terms of details, if you want to create this nice 3D effect in your drawing, you want to focus more on the foreground. It will create this nice sense of aerial perspective, this 3D effect, how I call it. So here we have this nice baluster, this beautiful detail on the foreground. So I hope this challenge will inspire you to draw with me, or maybe to even decorate your own house, your own home. Also, it will be a great idea if you will draw with me in this challenge, and for example, after you did your drawing, you can frame it and make it as a Christmas present to one of your friends or relatives. Also, you can use your drawing from this challenge as a maybe postcard. It's also a great idea. So you can decorate your house or your friend's house with your drawings. I think it's a beautiful idea. So some hatching. So here we have some nice decor, and I will do it in this abstract way. Right here we have very nice basket. I really love baskets in interiors, and let's show some texture here. By the way, textures are really important in interior design drawing. And if you don't know yet, I have a course on textures in interior design drawing, so you may check it on my website olgaart888.com. I cover their textures such as fur, fabric, metal, leather, glass. It's a really very interesting, inspirational video course, and of course you can learn from anywhere in the world. You just need Wi-Fi connection. Basically, my students live all over the world, and it's amazing what internet and technology let us do. So let's assume that this blanket, it's a fur blanket, so its edge will be very uneven. I will do this hatching here. Maybe at the very end I will use my white pastel pencil, but let's see. So here are some final details, just a little bit to this Christmas tree, because Christmas tree, it's our background, so we don't want to overdo it in order not to lose this aerial perspective, this feeling of the air in your drawing. Here we have also this nice Christmas decor, and here on the foreground you can work with it a little bit longer because it is closer to our eyes, right? So I will focus here a little bit more. Plus pillows, nice pillows here, and these beautiful red ones, which really create this cool feeling of Christmas. This one in the very center. Maybe let's add some text here, maybe Santa, something like that. Santa Claus is here. All right. Now I will focus on basically really final details here and there on this beautiful chandelier. Just a little bit. And maybe on the carpet. And of course, some final accents with my gray colored marker. Here, maybe let's make this fur a little bit more furry. All right, and at the end, we of course write our name here. So Olga Sorokina 2018.